Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can remove your Snapchat account permanently. So please follow every step I show you so you can delete or remove your Snapchat account permanently. So what you need to do first is go to on your Snapchat account. After going to Snapchat account, what you need to do is click on the top right corner on your go to on your profile. Okay. After going to your profile, what you need to do is click on the top right corner settings icon like that. You have to go to on settings. After go to on settings, what you need to do, you have to find the option I need help. You will need to click on this second option right here, I need help. Okay, please follow every step I show you. So after doing this, you need to type here delete my account. Okay, after you have typed it, you can see here is an option. How do I deactivate or delete my Snapchat account? You need to click on this option. Please leave a like on this video and make sure you subscribe this channel. After doing this, you can see here is an option, bunch of option. What you need to do is click on this option right here, Snapchat account portal, to deactivate or delete your Snapchat account on Android. If you are using an Android, you have to click on the top right option, and if you are using an Apple device, you need to click on this option. Okay, I'm now currently using an Android, so I am going to click on this option right here. After clicking on this, what you need to do, you have to remember your username or your email address to find your Snapchat account so you can remove it or delete it. So I'm gonna type my username. I already copied it. You have to click on next. You can use your phone number instead. I am using my username. After that, you have to click on your type your password. Okay, after typing your password, you have to click on next. Then you can see there is an interface that my data, my Snapchat. There's a bunch of options. What you need to do is click on this delete my account option right here. After clicking on this, here you can see this is the deletion page of Snapchat. So if you type your password twice here, after that you have to click on continue. If you type your password and click on continue, your Snapchat account will be removed or deleted permanently. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe this channel if this is worked. Peace.